So from title, you guys know today is another comparison video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the both handbag from the same fashion house. There are the YSL single round camera bag in the regular size and the YSL mini camera bag. This is the request video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the size, measurement, price, and what can be fit, as well as I will insert some model shots, and the last part, what do I recommend, which one I prefer. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So let's talk about this one first. This is the regular size. So before that, just let's get the measurement out of the way. The YSL regular camera bag, the measurement from here to here is 9 inch. From here to here is 6.25 inch, and the deep is 2.5 inch. The strap is 24.75 inch. Feature of this handbag, as you can see, is the chevron print. And the one I have it is the gunmetal hardware with the 100% cow skin, and it does feel very soft. However, it still very structured. So the leather is more durable than the lambskin. Open like that. Inside is the fabric, the black fabric. Back there have the back pocket and a piece of leather said single round, made in Italy. And also comes with the tassel, and this tassel you can remove. So like me, I don't like to have a tassel, so I just take it out. I was out using this one. It has not removable strap. However, the strap is adjustable, which is the best feature of this handbag. Back there doesn't have a pocket, bottom doesn't have the feet. And this bag you can wear as a shoulder bag as well as a crossbody. So basically, this is the feature of this regular camera bag. And currently this one, the price is $1,250. So now we're gonna talk about my newly purchased is the single round mini camera bag. Let's get the measurement for this mini camera bag. So the mini camera bag from here to here is 7.25, and from here to here is 4.25, and the deeper is 2 inch. The strap length is 22.5 inch, which is shorter than the regular one. However, the regular one has the adjustable, but this one doesn't have adjustable. So this handbag feature is the chevron print. As you can see, it's a grand cow skin leather, so it's very, very durable. More like a caviar leather, but I do feel this is more durable than caviar leather for my. This is how I feel. The one I have is the gold hardware. It has the chain, which is the strap is not removable, it's not adjustable, and here in the middle have the piece of the leather, which feel very comfortable to wear. Back there they do have the pocket, and the inside is the full leather line. And in here you will see the couple credit card spot, and the back also have a pocket. Also that there was labeled single round made in Italy. I don't know if you can see. And this side has the code, the product code, like day code number, and it says made in Italy. It comes with the tassel, however this one cannot removed. I know this is a new version of the tassel. I don't know the old one. This one, the current price is $1,050. And this one also you can wear as a shoulder bag, even though the length of the strap a little bit long on my body frame, but definitely this one you can wear as a crossbody. Basically, this is the feature of this handbag. So between those two is $200 different. The bigger one is little $200 more than the mini one. So I'm gonna put them side by side. As you can see the size difference. So obviously, yeah, very obviously this is the this is a way more bigger than this one, and this is the size. So next we're gonna compare is the capacity. So currently I'm using this one, and I'm gonna show you what is the inside, and I'm gonna transfer everything to the mini. See if mini can handle how many things. So I will give you the screenshot of what I have in this handbag, and we will talk later. So I have the Sunny, I have Victorian wallet, another reading glasses, and the 6 key holder, pocket organizer, key clay for the coin, my business card holder, and another card holder. I have the 2 lipstick case, so my 7 Plus cell phone. So I'm very quickly giving you the screenshot what I have in this handbag, so you will see. So here is what I have it, as you can see. Cell phone, 6 key holder, card holder, pocket organizer, Victorian wallet, key clay, business card holder, my reading glass, my Sunny, and 2 lipstick case. I'm gonna transfer everything to this handbag. I will put the Victorian wallet, pocket organizer, key clay for the coin, another card holder. This is my business card holder. And also I have the 2 lipstick case, which I'm not gonna able to fit, so I will pick up 1 lipstick. Now I have 2, one is a Sunny, and I also have my reading glasses, key holder. I still have a lot of things, so I'm gonna adjust it. I'm not gonna take the business card holder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Victorian wallet out of this handbag. Since I have the card holder, I can put the cash, I can put the credit card. So the last, I have my cell phone. Here is everything, as you can see, and what I have is my 6 key holder, my cell phone, and the card holder, the key clay, and the pocket organizer. And don't forget, you have some credit card spot right here. So besides this card holder, you actually can add additional couple cards or the license, whatever it is. So I'm gonna close this one. It looks perfect. I don't have any struggling to close this handbag. So what I did not put there is my reading glasses, my Sunny, Victorian wallet, business card holder, the lipstick case, which I only put it 1 lipstick, but if I take it out the case, I probably can put it 2 lipstick. Yeah, definitely I can put it anywhere. The main point is I cannot put the 2 lipstick case. So I also will give the screenshot. I will let you know why I did not put it there. For the mini camera bag, what I did not fit into that is the 2 lipstick case, Sunny, reading glasses, business card holder, and the Victorian wallet. What I have in the mini is a cell phone, pocket organizer, and the 6 key holder, key clay, card holder, 2 lipstick. So overall, it's not bad at all. At least you can fit all your essential into this handbag. So the last part I wanted to say is which one I recommended, and honestly, I love both, but I feel like this one is a more dresser. It's like a occasion bag. It's not for everyday bag. So it's more like if you go out at night, you can wear this. For the party, you can have this. For a special occasion, you can use this. This one is a more casual, you can wear as a weekend, and sometimes you even can use it as a work bag. So this is how I feel. If I have to choose one of them, I probably will go for the mini camera bag. I still feel this is a more comfortable to wear because the leather material, I don't need to worry about it. I don't need to baby it because it's so durable. So durability, definitely this one is the winner because you don't need to worry about the scratch or anything. And I do love this handbag a little bit more than this one. So if you ask me choose one of them, so I will definitely go to the mini camera bag. Now here I just wanted to say, Saint Laurent YSL, you don't need to pay the full price. They always have a sale. Both handbags I bought when it's on sale. there are a lot of opportunity you can buy when it's on sale, so just wait patiently, and most department store they will have it on sale. So yeah, that's all about today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.